Shall I? Let's quickly start with the revision and understanding of flood. What exactly flood is? Basically, when we talk about a flood, it is a disaster which comes due to overflow of water onto land. Generally, it happens in dry places. It is an expansion of water from river, lake, ocean, etc. It can be a result from various factors because of heavy rainfall or else snow melt, storm surges, etc. However, managing floods is possible if we see what can be done. First, we can prevent and mitigate. It means we can study before we do a rehabilitation or before we do settlement of the humans at a specific area. We need to check whether it is a flood prone areas. If it is a flood prone areas wherein the water flows generally on land, then in that case it's better not to stay or do a residential, not to consider those places as a residential places. This is how we can do a prevention and mitigation for the floods. Apart from this, we can have early warning and preparedness system. There are various ways to monitor the floods, forecast the floods, and we can give early warning to our people so that they can take appropriate measures and they can evacuate those places. However, after the flood has occurred, what we can do is we can check what can be done in order to minimize the disaster by providing appropriate facilities on those areas. Well, flood can be managed if it is properly calculated. Disaster of flood can be managed if it is properly calculated, if they can realize and understand that people should not reside on those areas which are flood prone areas, if they can understand that there are certain places wherein there could not be much possibility of floods, as well as if people can understand that they monitor constantly the weather forecasting, okay, that will help them to save their crucial lives. Let's move to the next concept. Please pause the video.